Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add GIFs, how to add exercise GIFs to a workout. So open up exercise timer and I'm going to use this Tabata timer here, workouts, tap on edit, and let's say instead of work here I want to do push-ups, for example. So we type in push-ups and we select the exercise there and the exercise GIF immediately shows. Now, there are some cases where, for example, either you have a different language or you like to name your exercises differently, sort of, or like you put a number before, you don't know, like. But let's say, for example, I want to type in work here, but I still want I want the push-up GIF to show. So I tap on that icon there, and I'm going to type in push-up in here. And select the GIF, and there you have it. The GIF icon has been added to your exercise. There are also GIFs for breaks. So for example, if I want to add a GIF for a break, I can select, for example, this bottle in here. For example, if you want to be reminded that to hydrate sort of during a workout, you can add that GIF in there as a reminder.